In this video, we'll walk through the printed treatment plan and show you how your setup is converted into a PDF. When you click the treatment plan PDF icon in the menu, the PDF will open in a new browser tab. From here, you'll be able to review the complete treatment plan. You'll see any auxiliaries used in the case, including attachments, elastics, and bite ramps. You'll also be able to see when each attachment is placed and activated throughout the treatment. Next, you'll find the IPR values, together with any elastics included in the treatment plan. Any bite ramps used in the case are also displayed. You can also see when elastics are activated throughout the treatment plan. IPR values are shown in red at each contact point. As we continue scrolling, the next page contains the tooth movement table, which shows the planned movement for each tooth and the type of movement being performed. Below that, you'll find the Bolton analysis, Ton analysis, and Pont analysis. Next, you'll see the staging section, where you can follow the treatment from the first aligner through to the last. If the case includes any overcorrections, they are displayed in orange. You'll also find the tooth movement timeline, which shows when each tooth begins to move. Separate timelines are provided for both the upper and lower jaws. As we continue scrolling, you'll see the occlusal histogram, which provides a color map of the occlusal distance together with the corresponding values. You'll also be able to view the final position of the teeth. If a CBCT scan is included in the case, you'll also be able to view the patient's real roots directly in the PDF. And this is how the printed treatment plan in Vision looks like. Thank you for watching.